tell me a story?
Of course I can tell you a beautiful story.
Is it about animals?
Yes, there is sheep, farmer, and 2 thieves.
2 thieves? What did they do?
Listen the story and you will find out. Once upon a time, there was a hard-working farmer. Every year, the farmer had to pay his annual revenue to local administrative. One morning, he prepared everything he needed. Then the farmer started walking towards the administrative office.
Why did he take sheep and honey?
At that time, animals and honey was paid as revenue.
The farmer continued his journey to the office. 2 thieves were sitting beside the road. The farmer holds the pot full of honey and tied a rope around the sheep. Then the farmer started walking towards the administrative office. One thief looked the sheep, the other looked the large pot. They looked each other. They made a plan to steal the farmer. After discussion, the first thief went into the forest to hide. The second thief stayed near the road. He pretended to be blind and helpless. After a while, the farmer saw the lying, helpless man on the road. The farmer asked the lied man, "Are you okay?" The thief replies, "I am blind. I cannot see." The thief says, "Please take me with you. I can hold your sheep." The farmer trusted him, and the farmer agreed to take him, and after a while the thief says, "I can help you holding the rope to lead the sheep." They continued walking, and the second thief came out of the forest and cut the rope and took the sheep. The farmer was busy carrying the heavy pot and looking forward. The thief says, "Can you look behind?" The rope became lighter. The farmer looked back. There was no sheep. The farmer says, "The sheep is gone." The thief says, "How can that be?" Farmer replies, "I don't know." The farmer went back to find his sheep and left the honey with fake blind thief.
Oh no!
They stole the honey too. Be kind, but be wise. Never trust everyone blindly. Think before you act.
I will remember that.